Introducing the 2022 Ford Focus Saint Line Style 5W 1.0T 125 M64 in sleek black. This estate with a powerful 1-litre petrol engine and manual transmission is an absolute stunner. Packed with comfort and accessories features like cruise control, Bluetooth and air conditioning, this car offers a luxurious drive. The safety features, including anti-collision system and lane departure warning, ensure peace of mind on the road. With styling features like spoiler and roof rails, this Ford Focus is a head-turner. Fully serviced and with a comprehensive warranty, this vehicle is ready to hit the road. Call now or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information.